November 25th is the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. It's a day to raise awareness about the issue of violence against women and girls. Did you know that 1 in 3 women worldwide have experienced physical or sexual violence? This is a global issue that affects us all. Violence against women is not just physical. It can also be emotional, psychological, and financial. Ending violence against women is not just a moral issue. It's also an economic issue. Studies show that violence against women costs countries billions of dollars each year in lost productivity and healthcare costs. We all have a role to play in ending violence against women. It starts with educating ourselves and speaking out against violence.